So I am trying to create a Chrome extension which shows subtitles along with the video when it is in pip mode. So I tried to create the pip Chrome extension with subtitles directly with the help of these AI agents, but none of them provided me a result. You can see my conversation with uh, DeepSeek here, but the result was not that good, and I end up having a non-working extension. So you can see that I responded to it that nothing is happening after clicking on the pip enable pip button, and CSS is missing. So it was missing some things. So instead of that, I am now trying with a bottom to up approach. In that, I will try to make the Chrome extension first, like the basic pip Chrome extension, and then I will see like what can we do to ensure that the subtitles appear. So I have asked ChatGPT for that, and I haven't enabled reasoning yet. So I will try it in the next response. And this is the code that it provided me. So I just now have to check. I have already, you can see that I have copy pasted this code in the Chrome extension files here, and I just need to now run it. So I will go to here and I will switch to extensions, and this was the prior one that I had in there. So I will remove this version and remove it from here, and then load unpacked, and I will select, it is already selected. I will select it and I will go to maybe YouTube, and then I will try to search something like is this Niso Academy, and I will play any video of them like this time complexity of an algorithm. I will go here and you can see that I have too many extensions downloaded here. So this is our extension, and I clicked on it, but you can see that nothing happened.
We are done with.
I will mute the video, and you can see that nothing is happening actually. So I am clicking it again and again, but the same thing is happening. They won't behave, they won't act. So I will try to modify this extension right here, and instead of just relying on this AI agents, I will try to search on web and try to find like is there something that I can find on GitHub or something else, and I will see like how this pip things actually work. And after that I will, when I have a better knowledge of how pip is executed and how this functionality work, then I will come to these, and then I can write some specific code. This is a general statement that I am throwing at them, and I won't be able to see what is happening over here and why it is not working. So I will take a look at the code of any pip extension that is available on online on GitHub or something else, and then after that I will try to come here. DeepSeek actually returns much more extensive code than ChatGPT itself. So you can see that their code is much more larger, but they are even unable to show me a basic pip extension, leave alone the subtitles, which is a much more difficult part, I guess. they are not even able to make the pip extension work. So you don't have to be worried that it is going to take your job. We will meet. So you will see now that I am able to make the Chrome extension work for the PIP mode.
Specific data is in memory.
Right, so this was the extension pip mode that we are working on. So the issue was that this piece of code execute script. So executing scripts require the permission script in here. So this was missing. So due to that, there on this line we were having an error. Okay, so adding this fixed our code, and we are able to run it.
Make sure there's nothing surprising. Hey, look, if I search for
Stop it, and then go here, and then click not this pip mode, you always click this one, okay, because that one is way better.
developer.chrome.
Now we will try to see like how we can add subtitles or how we can render subtitles when we are using the pip mode Chrome extension. I have checked it with DeepSeek. So what DeepSeek's told me is that they are trying to create a video window in which what they are trying to do is they are extracting the subtitles from the code, right, which could be in any file, and that file is being converted into some text or something, and then it is getting shown here, right? And if it is being shown over here, it is being placed like we place these elements right here. It will get placed in this video window, and then these both things are getting streamed in this video window right here. So the subtitles and the video that is being playing, they both are combined, and then they are being shown as a frame, like a single frame. So let's see what approach we can take. I want to make it like it can be modifiable. Let's say there is a certain type of fonts that are being used or certain type of view that is being used in subtitles. Maybe in version 2 we will want to modify from black background and white text to maybe only the black text only. So this is what I want to enable, and I want the speed options to here, like if the video is being played, I think it can already do that, but I want the options in here too. We will do these kind of things in version 2 maybe, but for now our main goal is to show subtitles. This is the bare basic minimum product that we are going to make. I haven't.
I can see one of the URLs we have as a variable.
You can see that it is working in speed, and I want to make it work on most websites. Like there are some websites that are not that popular. Let's say there are movie watching websites, you get it, right? So maybe there is anime watching website which provides anime for free, right? So we will try to make this thing work there too, because there it will be very much essential, right, and efficient too. So let's see what we can do next. There is progress that we have made. So I will mute the video first and will show to you. So this is our extension, pip mode with subtitles. We will reload it and then we will run it, and this is the alert I am showing, and you can see right here that I can show the subtitles in the pip mode. So you can see that the uh, subtitles are a bit messy, like uh, they are not so easy to read like they are in YouTube. So you can see that they are getting added in the same line, right? While as YouTube is using two lines to show these. So then, hey, like you can see what is happening right here. So I will now try to do what I will try to do now is that I will put uh, the already present subtitles on the top line and the new ones will appear in the bottom, like what is happening right here. So let's get back to that. And I have as you have assumed that I have made ChatGPT to write most of the code. I haven't taken help from any other AI agent like Cloud or Perplexity or DeepSeek even. So I am sure that with uh, ChatGPT, I will be able to make it work on most of the websites, like the popular ones. And for if there are, let's say, there are some websites, like I told you that there are some websites that are not so admired and they provide free content, right? So we will try to make it work on those websites too so that it can serve us. Okay, so let's see how this thing goes. And I have made it to do so. So I will, you can see that these are as synchronized as the YouTube uh, ones right here. So you can see that it is almost similar. So sometimes it gets to 3 lines, but it is readable, right? You can make yourself focus on the last ones, right? So the last ones are easily available. This is what we wanted and this is what we have done. So let's try implementing this thing now to other websites too. You know, there was not a Chrome extension, right, that helped you to see help you to see subtitles while you are watching it. Now you will be able to do so. And one thing that is maybe annoying or maybe not so useful is that this video right here is being shown while this while this pip mode is active. So in that case, maybe let's say if we were using this pip extension right here, then it shows us that playing in picture. So I want it to show that, but it is not so annoying. So maybe I will leave it like this, like you can switch to other windows while it is playing in background and it will still work, you know. So this is what we wanted, right? So it is rendering that that only. So maybe we will not be able to do this because a canvas is being drawn, as I said. So let's see if I can do so. Then I will make sure that this doesn't appear, but otherwise it's not even that big of a problem. We will focus it to scale it to other uh, websites like Netflix, Prime Video, and there are many more. So we will try to extend this now to other websites. Okay. Hi. So as you can see that we are working on our Chrome extension, but I will always suggest the people who are new to this thing. I am also new to this thing, like making products of your own, doing indie product development. So what I would always recommend everyone is that work on things that you are facing issue with. Like if there is a problem that you think that is bugging you for a quite while, and software could be the solution to that, then work on that only, instead of trying to build something that anyone else is facing, some trying to build a product that anyone else is having a problem with, would result uh, into a much more tedious way. Because let's say now I am building this product, now I don't have to get an opinion or ask from anybody else, because I am the user itself, so I know what is the best, right? So this is what I am trying to do here, that I am trying to make a product for me, for my use case, which will solve my problem. I want to see subtitles on websites when a video is being played on my browser, and I want it to work on most of the popular websites that I used. Or maybe, let's say if I now want to scale it to people's, then I know, then I have that YouTube is a popular website, and people are, if they are facing this problem, then they must be facing it on YouTube too. So this is what I am trying to execute and solving my personal problem. So this is my goal, right? Now the second thing is that the development process. AI, after the advent of these chat GPT, DeepSeek, or anything, Cloud, Perplexity, there are many of them now. So after the arrival of these things, the development process has become much more easy. uh, it takes like 1/10 of the time. If ChatGPT wouldn't have been there, then I would have taken 20 hours to do such a job, maybe 10 or 20. So 5 or 10x time than what I did. I hardly gave 1 or 2 hours till now, and I have come up with a practical thing where I can see subtitles on YouTube. So you can do the same, right? I will be able to deliver this maybe in a day or couple of days, if AI wouldn't have been there to help me, or if it would have been a known AI or known developer guy. Let's say there is a marketing guy who doesn't know much about coding, right? Then if he is doing, then he won't be able to provide the AI, like what kind of output do you want. So I am able to provide it specific kind of prompts, because I know about that thing. Like I know that this is where I am facing issues, the script is not running, maybe this is happening. So this is these kind of insights you can only get, the intuition, the this kind of intuition can only be held by a developer. Okay, so AI is making the task of developers easy right now. I don't know about the future what is going to happen, but right now it is the biggest boon to developers. So I am going to try to make it work on 2 3 more popular websites, and then we will publish it at the end of the series.